Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a test grades from the Full Grade Center. We're talking here the first midterm exam. First of all, I need you to know which test you want to download the grades for. Okay, I'll go to al-ikhtibarat or tests or assessment. So the one I'm looking for is elementary LMB, elementary B or LMB, whatever. Okay, the next step is to go to Full Grade Center, click on it, and go to the right to work offline. Once you have the mouse cursor on work offline, you have these two options. Click on download, and then you'll have this page. By default, this option is selected, which is Full Grade Center. If you keep this one chosen, okay, and proceed, the whole thing will, like the Full Grade Center with all its columns will be, on your computer, will be downloaded. But what we are interested here is one column only, which is the column which includes the grades for the first midterm exam. Okay, in my case, it's called LMB. To download this, goes to selected column, click on this one, choose it, make sure that it's selected, and then come to this right drop down menu here and choose the one that you want. As you can see, all these are columns, but I want this one, which is LMB. After that, click on submit. Don't worry about the other options, just ignore them. Click on submit. After clicking on submit, click on download. There you go. Click on it. If you have this message, click on yes. Okay, and here you have the test results. Okay, as you can see here, last name, username, which is like the username, which is the student's ID number, university ID number, and last access, whatever. Okay, all of them, they need to be, widened or expanded. So what can you do? To do that, all of them at the same time, only once you do them, come to this, top left corner, where you have, the numbers of the rows, and the letters of the columns. Okay, they meet together at this corner. Select the corner, click on the corner, and the whole workbook or the whole worksheet is selected. Come now, the next step, come to this, one of the edges between, the letters above. We're talking letters, which means columns. Okay, let's say between D and E. Okay, there is these small lines. Come to any one of them, go to any one of them. Okay, and put the mouse cursor, which is now as a plus icon, put it between these edges, like on the one of these lines, any line you want, no problem. And as you can see, the cursor icon changes into two arrows, one to the right, one to the left. Okay, so I put it here on this line, one of the lines, no problem, and I double click, left click with your mouse, left button, double click, everything is expanded. Okay, and there you have the test options. Thank you very much. Hope this helps.